Hello everyone, welcome to HTML Bootcamp. I'm Tanvir. I'm a software engineer working remotely in the US, and I'm about to make my first HTML5 tutorial. So firstly, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is the heading, this is the paragraph, this is a link, etc. So I'll show you in this tutorial how to create a HTML project, and then we'll write some HTML tag like hello world and paragraph tag. Then we will open the HTML file in a browser. So let's get started. So this is the VS Code that I have installed. I have a video tutorial on how to install VS Code, and you can watch it. I'll give a link below. Then let's get started. Here, open file. Here, click on the file, then open folder. Then from desktop, I have created already a desktop folder. This is HTML Bootcamp. Open. See, this is the HTML folder that I have just opened. And now click here, which will create a new file. So I'm naming it as day1.html. Press enter. See, now we have a day1.html here, and we can start writing tag. HTML consists of tags. There are HTML is actually full of tags. Tag means this one is a tag. Suppose I'm writing h1. Here h1 is an opening tag, and the h1 at the right is the closing tag. And we can write something here like hello world inside the tag, and if we save it by Command S, or if you're in Windows it should be Control S, then we can open the file. Here open with configure default editor for, not here, we should go to here, and day1.html, just double click it. It will be open in the browser where your default browser. See, we can see the hello world. So this hello world, it's bold because it's written inside of h1 tag, but see, there are many other h1 tags. Like h1 means header means something big, and we can write h2 tag. Just write h2, then press enter. This is h2. This is another, write another hello world. Then h3 hello world. Then we can just copy and paste it, and instead of h1 we can write h4. Here h4, here h5, here h6. So Command S for Mac user and Control S for Windows user. Now if we again once again open in the browser the same file, just reload it. See, we have different size. For h1 it's the biggest and bold, h2 is the second bigger and bold. H3 is the third bigger. This, and same as this is H4, this is H5, and H6, this is the smallest. So we have 6 type of H1 tags, H tags, and H1, H2, H3, H4, and H5 and H6. So this is the H1 tag does. I mean, if we want to show something as a title, then we will use H1 tag. So that's all for today for H1 tag. In the next video we will see how to write the complete HTML structure with HTML header tag, HTML body tag, and root HTML tag and doc type. So see you in the next video.